Basket is nasa Benavista. Diaz. Basket is good. Remaining in the third quarter. Basket is good. 40 seconds. Lido for 3. Tempo on the move. Narbasa. Basket is Salazar. Way. Gubat. Manggubat. Layup and there's a whistle. Foul number 17. Holding foul, shooting 2. Second personal foul number 17. Second on the team. Manggubat on the line. Tatlo na lang. (64-62). Leading ang Photos Power Sports. And here comes the Quicksilver. To Inocencio, balik kang Makabanton. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 11, and there's a whistle. Foul 31. Pushing foul, shooting 2. 31 second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots by the Quicksilver, Makabanton. There's a whistle. Four minutes, 10 seconds. Yido with a floater. Basket is good. Oy, isa na lang. Third quarter, 15 seconds to shoot. Guzman, pinasa Almadin. Almadin Lopez. And there's a foul. Dali lang third quarter. Hindi pas-pas ang third. Masat sir. Turnover. Inocencio to Diaz. Layup, Makabanton. Basket is good. Pinasa Paradyang. 15 seconds, shot clock and steal by Guzman. Makabanton with a layup, basket is good. 15 seconds to shoot. No good, rebound by Tempo. 2 minutes 54 seconds. What's the call, rep? Basket counts, foul number 16. Pushing foul, shooting 1. Okay, last throw, ready to rebound. (66-73). 15 seconds to shoot. Foul number 7. Diaz. Pinasa to Inocencio. Guzman. Hang time to Diaz, no good. Rebound by Lido. Lido. Pasa Paradyang. Paradyang to Lido. Number 14. Number 10 to Lido. Basket is good. 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. 68-73. Basket is good. (75-68). 15 seconds shot clock. For 3. No good. Nakuha. Number 11. Basket is good. 1 minute 28 seconds. 75-70. 5-point lead by Photo Spa Sports. Guzman up and under move. There's a whistle. Foul on number 10. Illegal disadvantage. Shooting 2. Substitution. Second personal foul. Penalty. Guzman on the line.
Live na kuya.
10 seconds to shoot. Tempo to 3, no good. 55 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Basket is good. 79-70. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Lido for 3. 1, 2, 3. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. To Diaz. Basket is good. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. No more shot clock remaining. Para Jang. Stabs and pumps for 3. No good. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Running score 73-83 in favor of. Okay, back to the ball game for the last and final quarter. Wala 3.
Shot out pa pa rin.
Yes, no good. Rebound by number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Inocencio to number 2. Luxong Baka. Post foul rip. Team foul. Number 34. Basket is good. First 2 points in the fourth quarter. Nasa Binavista. Diaz. Baskets go. For 3. No good. Rebound number 11. Number 11. There's Rizal. Foul number 17. Illegal cylinder. Fourth personal foul. First of the team. Number 16 to number 11. Sa ilalim. Basket is good. 9 minutes remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. Cabarso, on the move, and there's a whistle. Foul number 24, illegal disadvantage, shooting 2. Number 24, fourth personal foul, second of the team. Substitution. DJ Gao on the mix. Basket is good. Remaining time 8 minutes 50 seconds in the last and final quarter. 20 seconds to shoot. Salazar sizing up his man. 15 seconds to shoot. Salazar. To number 13, Kagula. Basket is good. 79-86. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle again. Foul number 11, blocking foul. First personal foul 11, third of the team. 15 seconds on the shot clock, 15 seconds to shoot. Basket is good. 88-79. 15 seconds to shoot. Kagula. Kagula on the move with a fake. Number 25, Dipasa. Almost a steal. Inocencio. Pinasa to number 2. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Cabarce. Time out. Team Buena Vista. 90-79 is our score. 11-point lead. Shot clock at 17 seconds, 7 minutes 40 seconds. Tempo on the move. Tempo. Block shot by Diaz. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 16. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 16. Legal use of hands. Fourth personal foul. Number warning for team penalty. Substitution. Inocencio. No good. Rebound nabasa to Cabarce. There's the foul. Number 21, that was your fourth personal foul. Penalty. There's a whistle. Foul number 25, Narbasa, pushing foul. Second personal foul, third of the team. Salazar. Way! Bang! Oh no! Dos, tres! Mula mag-alin na Iverson. 6 minutes 55 seconds. Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 10, Anspo. Clear the free throw area, 2 shots plus ball possession. Substitution. Clear the free throw area. Anspo man, Anspo. Number 10, Tempo. Third personal foul. Penalty. Zero out of 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Narbasa, basket is good. 6 minutes 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. For 3. No good. 6 minutes 20 seconds. Bataluna to number 7. Guzman with a fade. No good. Rebound. Number 77. Block shot. Salazar. Paraja on the move to Mira. Basket is go. Guzman layup. Basket is go. Five minutes 45 seconds. No good. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Next game, prepare. Team Ampayon versus Agusan del Norte, DPWH. 10 seconds to shoot. Balansag. 5 seconds to shoot. On the shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds for 3. In and out. 86 to 94. 5 minutes 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Sorry. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Kabarsi. Pinasa sa ilalim. Basket is gone. 96-86, 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Basket is gone by number 77. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Kabarsi. What's the call, ref? Foul 31. Pushing foul. Penalty. Number 31 fouled out. Substitution. First throw is good. Second throw ready to rebound. (99-88), 4 minutes 23 seconds. To Tiempo. 15 seconds to shoot. Tiempo. Basket is gone. 99-90. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes remaining. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Three minutes 49 seconds.
Nubiran Nubi.
10 seconds to shoot. Bataluna. Pinasa. To Diaz. Tali mo na. Basket is good. 3 minutes 39 seconds. Number 10. Basket is good. 9-point lead. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. 101.92. 10 seconds on the shot clock. To number 11, Bataluna. To number 7, Guzman. Easy shot. For 3, no goal. 3 minutes remaining. $15 seconds. Rebound by number 11. To number 10, Tempo. Basket is good. 94.